All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel, to the Hbar community. Cannot thank you guys enough. It's been about 2 days since we last spoke about Hbar. Just wanted to kind of give myself a little bit of a break. But we're back. We're back on schedule. Shout out to each and every one of you guys. If you have not subscribed, take 2 seconds out of your time, hit that red subscribe button. But yeah, without further ado, let's really analyze and understand what's happening with Hbar's price right now. So as we are going into a brand new week ahead of us, you are seeing some coins up quite a bit still, but you're noticing the likes of Hbar, XLM, XRP. These are some projects that have shown a correlation with one another. At the end of the day, your correlation is that they have moved up quite fast with one another after Donald Trump won, because of course all of these four projects, number one, are all competitors to one another and also are US based projects. But yeah, you're seeing a little bit of a lag between them, but across the board you're still seeing a lot of coins up, which is quite interesting to see. So of course dominance is not at the level where we need to be getting worried about, but dominance is showing us some signs that we should not be ignoring. And if you watch my market analysis update, that's what I went over. But Hypecoin, I regret, because I did get the airdrop for this. I sold it way too early, and this coin has been going absolutely insane. But at the end of the day, free money, right? So cannot always complain. But yeah, so far so good. But let's take a closer look and really analyze the price. But before we do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So looking at the price, 28 cents currently, down 2.8% in USD, down 5.3% in Bitcoin comparative. Market cap at about $10.7 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume at about $818 million. That tells you everything you need to know, that you're seeing a little bit of a lack of interest coming into Hbar. You are seeing the 24-hour trading volume decreasing quite substantially right now, which again is something that we cannot be ignoring, and it's worthwhile noting when we're doing these analysis updates. But if you're looking at the Bitcoin dominance index, dominance is showing us something, like I said to you guys before, that should not be ignored. You really don't want to see dominance picking up above 57.9%, especially above that 58.54%. If the dominance is able to pick up here, I think altcoin season could be in danger, believe it or not. And this is why I show you guys the dominance index day in, day out. Day in, day out, we speak about the dominance index. I highlight the importance of it as to how you want to understand this, but you're not seeing the dominance budging. Over the course of the last few weeks, we did see the dominance pretty much plummeting to the likes of 54.66%. But after we did see those Bitcoin reserves conversations starting, that has really thrived the price of Bitcoin towards a new all-time high just a few hours ago, sitting at $106,800. But let's see a little bit of a retracement. But yeah, Bitcoin is pretty much sitting in its all-time highs right now, and which is insane to think about. But due to this heavy momentum that's flowing into Bitcoin, is actually impacting altcoins, believe it or not. Yes, Bitcoin dominance is not at the likes of 61.56%. Hence, you are seeing quite a bit of green still across the board. But at the same time, you are noticing the likes of Hbar, XLM, XRP, actually reacting to this in a little bit of a negative way. But I do believe, even though some of these coins that are moving up right now that have smaller market valuations, of course, Ethereum's up about 2.4%. Ethereum's been thriving. Ethereum's almost, heading towards all-time high. So, it's not a surprise, big, massive inflows coming in for the ETFs as well. So it kind of speaks for itself. But, I think this can actually have an impact on the broader meme coin market, including SUI, including ENS, Hype. The list goes on and on. If this dominance, picks up. So the last thing you want, if you're an Hbar holder, or any other coin holder, you don't want to see the dominance going up higher. But with that said, let's analyze the charts and really understand what's happening with Hbar. So the price of Hbar is sitting in the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level right now, still above that key support. But let's show you guys the hourly time and really make you guys understand what we're looking at. So if you're looking at the price of XRP, I'm sorry, not XRP, the price of Hbar, obviously, we've been pretty much bouncing back and forth above this key support line, which is really, really good to see, to be quite frank with you. Obviously, we lost the support 2 different times. Obviously, it wicked below it, so did the broader market. But what I want you guys to realize is how fast we recovered above that key resistance, and that tells you how good this price actually has been consolidating. And even though right now we're seeing a little bit of a minor lag, you are still seeing this consolidation that we're in still intact. It has not been invalidated. So maybe we do see a retest down to the likes of 26.6 cents. Honestly, that would not come as a surprise to me, especially if we lose the support where we're currently at. That would be an additional drop of about only 3.64%. But you really want to see the price of HBAR holding above this key support. If it's able to do that, great. Like I said to you guys before, even if it consolidates within the 0.50 zone, especially above this support line, I am happy. But obviously right now what we need to be focusing on is the dominance index. If dominance goes up, then last thing you want to see is Bitcoin retracing. If Bitcoin retracing and dominance goes up the way it is, this can really have a lag on the altcoins. So potentially we could actually drop below this key support and go to the likes of 25.2 cents and potentially even the 22.9, so almost 23 cents support before heading towards the upside. And you guys know your boy Crypto ZX, when the bullish momentum is there, I am not shy enough from saying that. But right now, the volume is quite low as well. And if we were to lose this support, that would potentially be a move of about 13.4%. The only way I see this happening is if dominance continues to go up, and if Bitcoin sees a little bit of a fake out, this can potentially cause this to happen. So let me know down below what you guys think. Of course, I think in the long term, we will see this bounce. I think in even the short term, even in the next few days coming ahead of us, I wouldn't even be surprised if the price of HBAR started making its way back towards the yearly highs. But we cannot ignore the dominance. This is what I try to teach you guys on a day-to-day basis. Let me know down below what you guys think. What are your personal predictions? But so far so good. I'm not too worried as far as the price of HBAR is holding. But obviously you want to be paying very close attention to this key support line. If we lose this, some of these potential targets could be on the table based off of what we're looking at for the dominance as well. But let me know down below what you guys think. Love each and every one of you guys. Cannot thank you enough. We'll see you later with Crypto ZX, and peace out.